get some sun, baby, it's time to go. All we need to
Oh yeah, they are. Yeah. They got a shopper up there. Yeah, there's a big party. So we're gonna walk this way and we'll be back. Right. All right, guys. Welcome to our life in the Philippines. We stayed around for the day and still here at Waterhaven Bed and Breakfast. And they have on the other side there, looking over, I showed it in the video yesterday, it looked like they have a water park, and music is coming from there. So we are just gonna walk down here and check it out, see what's going on. It looks to me like it's still under construction.
Yeah.
And if you hear a lot of wind noise, we apologize. It's really windy. Look at the palm trees. It's really windy today. And it has been actually cold a little bit, even though the sun is out. So let's walk down here. But look at the area. You see the fence here. And it goes all the way back up to the river up there that I showed you. And the park is going all the way down here. So it's a huge park, huh? I wonder if they gonna fill up this park with people. It's so far out from everything.
Yeah, I'm sure. Because they have a lot of activities inside this resort.
Right. So yeah, they have something similar, I think, in Subic. And there it costs like 4,000 per person to get in.
Yeah.
So it's a big
Even-
park.
Even inside Clark, remember?
All right, Alexa Water Park. People are waving at us here. So that's what they're gonna call it, Alexa Water Park. But they decorated nice. Seems like they've gone pretty far on this section. There's gonna be up there is the small kids area, I think, and just where I pointed there is also the bed and breakfast, Waterhaven, on the other side of the river. So we just decided to take a little walk here.
Yeah.
Take a look.
So we've never been in this place.
No, I didn't even know it was here.
No,
So
because we're always staying on when we coming in Morong, we always stay in.
oh yeah, we
Water.
stay at Island Waters a lot,
Yeah.
but this time we picked this place,
Yeah.
and in here looks interesting. It's like a huge area. We'll see what it is, but they're doing something in here. Let's ask the guys here and see what he saying. Look at this. It's like concrete walls on the sides. Looks like a wave pool. What are they building in here? A wave pool? Wave pool? Cool. Artificial wave pool, yeah. Yeah, it looks cool. It's a very big one. That's pretty cool. Yeah, they must have spent millions and millions to build this place. And the funny part in Morong is kind of in the middle of nowhere.
Yeah.
And but there is expectations that Morong will grow into a Luzon, Boracay. So we'll see about that here over the next few years.
Yeah. I'm
Here it
sure
looks interesting. Looks like tables
there's a
around.
concrete tables.
All right, that's pretty cool how to do it. Let's peek in. Yeah, it's like tables all the way around there, all the way down on both
Yeah.
sides, and like a kid's playground. So I guess these are going to be available for rent or whatever for day trippers. Yeah, and they can come in and hang out. It is a pretty cool place. So up here in front of us on the other side of the gate here, you walk up maybe 300-400 meter, you have the highway. But this is private entry, so people are not coming in this way.
They put rice on the street. Drying rice on the street.
Yeah. Yeah, that water park looks huge. Under construction, but probably going to be a lot of fun once they're done with it.
Yeah, and then a lot of people also.
Yeah.
Look at the boko.
Yeah, look at this, guys. This is how they dry the rice on the street. A few sacks of rice. I think you can come down this way.
Yeah, this is a elementary school.
Yeah, that's what he said. Walk by the school. So this is a elementary school in here. And we'll walk down this way. This is a child-friendly school. I hope it is.
Yeah, I think it's friendly because no one over there.
Child-friendly school.
They're friendly because there's no one over there.
Right. Yeah, I don't know if you can get down here, but
Yeah, we can do
I
shortcut
think
with
maybe here you can do a shortcut down here.
Yeah. There you go. Straight from the store.
Yeah.
Yeah.
There's a little sorry store here. We're gonna go and get us a little supply.
Yeah, supply. Our daily supply. What's our daily supply? Oh, secret.
Yeah. All right, let's go. Let's go back.
Hello.
Here.
Yeah, I know. Hello, hello. Quick, 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 quick.
You're scaring them.
Quick, quick, quick. Oh, cute.
Yeah. All right. Let's go.
Let's go. This is how we get our daily supply. We're in the jungle. It's a hidden store. Oh, secret store. Ugh. There you go.
There's a water park over there
Yeah.
that we just showed. So we just walked around the block for it. And now we're heading back. The building up there, you see? The gray building. That's Water Haven under construction. Some parts are done already. Like I said before, they got a few rooms ready. And they also have two nice cabanas, what do you call them?
Kubo, nipa hat.
Nipahat, kubo. And
It's hard to walk like this when you're in
yeah,
the
it's sand.
sand. And then when the wind blows, all the dust goes to you.
Yeah. And
There's a river over there.
there's a river here. You have some boats in here.
River.
Some boats. I guess that boat can take you out to the ocean through the back roads. And in this area you have several other resorts all over the place. He said this was the that's pretty amazing. They had a rainstorm here last year, and the water actually went over this bridge, and it's pretty deep. I would say 3-4 meters, and the water rose up 4 meters and actually flooded the road and undermined the roads, so the bridge sunk down. Now the buses can't go over here, so that's why they have this big parking lot down here. Casa Pepito Beach Resort, and then you have Janice Beach Resort down that way, and there's Dave, right?
Baby's out.
Yeah, he's upstairs on the building up there. All right, so we are almost back home. We took you around for a little grand tour around the area. And I'm going to put up a little short video showing you how to get in here. That will be coming up in the next day or so. So this is Water Haven from the road, access road. We're coming in this way, and it's a fairly easy ride up here. The road ain't the best, but it's beach, guys. And this is how it looks like. They assume that they will have these completed here in the next 2 months. It should be completely completed. However, there are rooms available on the bottom level, and they are nice. We just stayed there one night last night, and we'll be heading home later on today if we feel like it. Otherwise we'll just stay for another day, but I would assume we were going home. So all these rooms at the bottom, you can see the doors are in and everything, the windows are in, the air conditioners are in. They are all ready to have your overnight bed and breakfast guests coming in this way. So wait, don't click that button unless of course you hit the subscribe button, and then you can move on. And while you're down there, hit the notification button as well. And if you leave a like or a comment, we will personally respond to you on all or any request you might have. And thank you for watching, and we'll see you again at the next video.